saying welcome to our science class. Today we will be having more fun in doing our activities in science. I hope that you too will find it exciting and enjoyable as well. So if you are ready, let's now begin our science class. So our topic for today is what happens if foods are left out? So what do you think happens, kids, if foods are left out? Okay, let's try studying your activity on page 19 of your science book. We have here a bread, a sliced bread actually. So if we are going to have this food left out for several days, what do you think will happen? Okay, it says here in your activity, write down, check in the box of the correct pictures for the bread that is left out. Okay, so what is the food for our experiment? Okay, the food is, bread. The food for experiment is a bread. Okay, now let's try to see the pictures. This is the time for leaving the food out. And this is what happens to the food being left out. In here we have 7 days. So what happens to the bread if it is left out for 7 days? Will it become smelly or will it become moldy? How about if it is left out for 2 weeks? What do you think will happen? Will it become moldy like this one or moldy like this one? Okay. So you can actually do this experiment at home with the help of your mommy or your daddy. So to give you an idea of what will happen, okay, usually foods that are left out, let's say for 7 days, will start to have a bad smell, or they will become smelly. And then if you will left them for a few more days, they will eventually develop molds. So they will become moldy, just like this one. Okay? So I hope you will be able to do this activity in your books at home. So there are actually ways on how you will be able to preserve food. Like for example, putting the foods in the fridge. You can also preserve them by putting some preservatives like salt or vinegar. But for bread, to preserve it, it is better that you are going to put it in the fridge or put it in a dry place. So that's all for today, kids. I hope you enjoyed making your experiment at home. Great job, kids! You did very good today. Next time, I'm pretty sure that you will do better. So I hope you will again stay with me for our next science class and do the activities that are exciting and enjoyable. Bye-bye for now.